tree lovers. Joel Mizell here with the tree planters at treeplanters.com. We are digging a Phoenix Reclinata palm. We actually are digging 3 of them. They're pretty good sized trees, but they're still only in the small to medium size range. This particular one has 4 trunks. I just want to show you how we did one of these. You're looking at Tito with his big 30-pound shovel. We cut the side where the ball is, which is that side over there. We pretty much dig it straight down, or we angle it in just a little bit. And you can see that this side of the hole over here is angled towards the bottom of the dirt ball. Sometimes, not all the time, sometimes we take this gas-powered shovel and go all the way around the tree and cut under the ball this way. That may not be necessary on this one. But we've been digging on this one. This is a little bit harder than average digging, but we've been digging on it for probably 45 minutes. They are at the last 1.5 feet of this. Then we're going to put a strap around the bottom of the tree and we'll pull it right out. We're going to load it on that trailer over there. We've got another one that's already pulled out right there. That one's about double the size of this one. We'll put the small one on top of the axles right there and put the big one at the other end on top of the small one. So this is a very brief video and a very brief explanation of how we dig a tree. It's much more complicated than I make it sound in this short video. But everything has to be dug by hand. You can't do it with machinery on these just because. And we know how to do it. We've done it tens of thousands of times. I'm Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters at treeplanters.com. When you're ready for any kind of tree that's grown in Florida, call us, the Tree Planters. Go to our website, treeplanters.com. Reach out to us from there. We'll help you determine what kind of tree you want and the size. There's some engineering issues that always exist when you're planting big trees, so we have to go through those and